Let's talk about an oil today. Let's see. Should we start at the top or the bottom? Let's go right here. See, Buckthorn oil. If you've been looking for one oil that does everything, skin, hair, and wellness, let me introduce you to sea buckthorn oil, also known as the beauty berry oil. Sea buckthorn oil comes from the bright orange berries of the sea buckthorn plant. It's packed with omega-3, 6, 7, and 9, plus vitamins A, C, and E, making it one of the most nutrient-dense oils in the world. This oil is a hydration powerhouse. It helps deeply moisturize dry, dull skin, support skin elasticity, calm redness and irritation, promote a natural glow. Sea buckthorn oil is especially loved for helping improve the look of fine lines and uneven skin tone. For hair lovers, this oil is gold. It helps nourish the scalp, add shine and softness, reduce dryness and breakage, support healthier looking hair growth. A few drops go a long way, especially on protective styles and natural hair. When taken as a supplement, sea buckthorn oil supports gut health, joint comfort, overall cellular health. Omega-7 is the standout here. It's rare and helps support moisture balance from the inside out. You can apply a few drops directly to clean skin, mix it into your moisturizer or body oil, massage it into the scalp or hair ends, take capsules if recommended on the label. Always start small. This oil is highly concentrated. Sea buckthorn oil is great for dry or mature skin, natural hair lovers, anyone looking for glow, hydration, and balance. It's truly a head-to-toe oil. If your skin and hair need extra love, sea buckthorn oil might be the missing step in your routine. Glow smarter, not harder.
You walk back in sunshine on your skin like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide, still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried, but looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the rough. And since you're back in town, let's shut it all down. It's Friday, baby, let's come back round.